Oh, someone's hungry.
It's fine, my stomach just growls sometimes.
Okay.
Oh, Chloe, your stomach is literally growling at me.
It's fine, my stomach just growls sometimes.
That is not normal, but okay. What the? What is going on?
Chloe is no longer here. I am Pluto, the food demon.
Chloe, your stomach's possessed!
It's fine. Her stomach just growls sometimes.
What do I do? Stand back, son. Set a priest! The power of the glizzy compels you!
That glizzy's not gonna work, priest. I'm not hungry.
Cleanser of the demon priest! The power of the glizzy compels you! I told you were hungry!
I feel a lot better now. Someone's hungry.
No, it's okay. My stomach just growls like that sometimes.